10, 11, and 12, we're doing the composition of two functions, domain and range. So I'm taking f of g, and when I do that, what I have to be able to do is make it all the way across from one side to the other side. When I'm listing my domain, the only possible values, if my board didn't move, that could be in the domain are the ones that are in your starting domain. When you do your range, the only possible answers you can have are the ones that are in your ending range. So what you're trying to do is see if you can get all the way across from one end to the other. It says we have to use set notation, so I'm going to start with my set symbol. 3 goes to 9, 9 goes to 8. I went all the way across, 3 goes in my domain, the 8 goes in my range. 4 goes to 7. 7 goes to 8. Went all the way across. 4 gets added to my domain. The 8's already in my range. I don't need to write it down more than once. 5 goes to 6. 6 goes to 8. 5 goes in my domain. The 8's already in my range. 7 goes to 5. However, there isn't a 5 over in the other function, so I can't continue. I'm just going to ignore that that's even there. Doesn't work. 8 goes to 1. There isn't a 1 over there, so I can get rid of that. 9 goes to 1. There's not a 1 over there. I can get rid of that. My domain is 3, 4, and 5. My range is 8.
Out there, there's a gentleman in the front lobby selling scented candles, and they're homemade.
Scented candles. So, number 11. My domain. Am I going to use the 0? Yep. If I use 0 in my domain, what am I going to put in for my range? The 4. 0 went to 2, 2 went to 4. Am I going to use the 3?
Nope.
Nope. 3 went to 4, but there's no 4. Can't do that one. Am I going to use the 4?
Yes.
Yes. So if I use the 4 in my domain, what am I going to have in my range? 9. 4 goes to 5, and 5 goes to 9. 5. Am I going to use the 5? Yep. And if I have a domain of 5, my range is going to be 9, which I already have. Am I going to use the 9? Nope. 9 goes to 4, and I'm stuck. So, my domain, 0, 4, and 5. My range, 4 and 9. Number 12. Am I going to use the 1 in my domain? Nope. Goes to 0, and there's not a 0. The 3.
Yes.
Yes. 3 goes to 8, and then the 8 goes to 4. So I'm going to add 4 to my range. How about the 4?
Nope.
Nope. Goes to 0, and there's not a 0 over there. How about the 6?
Yes.
Yes. 6 goes in my domain. 6 goes to 8, and 8 goes to 4. Already have 4. How about the 8?
No. I mean,
Yep. 8 goes to 3. There is a 3. 3 goes to 4. So we're going to add the 8, but we don't need to add another 4. How about the 9? Nope, that goes to 0. So 3, 6, and 8 in my domain, 4 in my range.